Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite new cozy comforts. It's the LifeIn chenille throw blanket in a beautiful, vibrant orange rust color. If you're someone like me who likes to wrap up in both warmth and style, you're going to be in for a real treat today. Let me tell you a little bit about why this is such an awesome blanket. Just look at this beauty. The chenille throw blanket is generously sized at 60 by 80 inches. It's big enough to wrap yourself up or to share the warmth with a friend. The chenille fabric is incredibly plush and it feels so nice and gentle against the skin. I wish you could feel this cozy softness. I also really love that the material has a nice stretch to it, making it perfect for wrapping up with a good book and comfortably snuggling up on the couch. I also really appreciate that the weave is not too tight and is not too loose, so it really does retain heat as you use it. This throw isn't just for snuggling though. It is a stylish accessory for our home. Whether it's draped over my sofa, a chair, on a blanket ladder, or neatly folded in a place easily accessible to our lounging, it really does add a chic touch of warmth. So don't wait another day to embrace the warmth and beauty of this LifeIn chenille throw blanket. You won't regret it. And that's my point of view.